day, my beautiful people, and welcome back to the Gray and J family.
If you're new to this channel, mash up that subscribe button down below.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell because we are posting videos
whenever we can.
Absolutely.
Alright guys, for those who are new to this channel, my name is Jan.
And my name is Grayson.
And we make up the Gray and J family, which is our channel.
Funny how that worked out.
So we would like to thank all our cherished and supportive and original subscribers that have been with us thus far, and welcome the new subscribers that are joining our channel.
Absolutely. We are we got a lot going on in life.
We do.
We definitely appreciate every time you guys tune in and watch our videos, even though it's not as frequently as we would like. But all the same, we put a lot of time and effort into these, and we hope you guys appreciate them.
Thank you so much. I mean, I don't know how you guys who have YouTube channels do it, with us having full-time jobs and trying to live our life and go through this newly married life and still maintain a YouTube channel. It is so difficult. I give you guys kudos, like big props, mad props.
Yeah, so do you want to tell them what we're going to do today, Dave?
All right, so let's just
I don't know about you, but I'm really excited for this.
I'm really excited too, so let's just go ahead.
That's a lie.
Let's just go ahead into this video. So, this is our bedroom wall. We're going to show you the after look after. We adjusted the bed, all kind of stuff. And this is our bedroom wall. Our bedroom wall and our bed head normally fits here.
This nice wall.
Right? So I decided to do a project and rope Grayson in.
I'm glad you specified that. I had no part in this.
And it's going to be a really nice tree. All right, I'm going to show a picture of it, when I bought it, what I had in mind, and I'm going to put it right up here, how it's supposed to look. All right, and we're going to try and duplicate that on our wall right here. I had an idea of bringing the tree from here, because we have our side tables right here. Start it from here with the branches and go up with the tree and bring it across all the way over here to the end. So we're going to snap our fingers and show you the template. Alright guys, so this is just the template. You ain't making out anything. You are not making out anything in terms of the words. But that's how it is basically.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to make out because of the light, but
yeah,
from our perspective,
yeah,
it looks okay.
Yeah.
It still remains to be seen from after we get everything up, but
yeah,
we're gonna get after it.
Okay, guys.
Okay, so now I'm sure this is gonna be a very
montage
or sped up version of us doing this and watching us drink wine and probably yell at each other.
The arguments that will ensue momentarily.
Alright,
guys, it took us very long to figure out these tree branches. It was like a puzzle.
Except there's no directions, and
yeah,
it's in Mandarin.
Yeah. So how long did it take us?
I don't even know, like 4 hours.
Because you know me, eyes miss perfect. Yay. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so we're going to speed it up. We're going to put the leaves. Yes. Alright family, so this is the finished product. Grayson didn't really like the words, so I haven't put it up yet, but I may put it up. And this is how it looks. Yep. And I will show you guys how it looks after we put the bed back. I have to clean up first. Doesn't it look nice? I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, see you guys soon.
Our life,
Our love,
our story.